Welcome back, and for today's activity we're going to talk about spanning tree protocol. In this activity we have 3 switches and 3 pieces connected to each switches and then a router. So had VLAN 7, VLAN 17 and VLAN 77 with their consecutive network addresses. So in this activity we're gonna add another 2 switches to enable STP. The goal of this activity is to verify that STP correctly handles redundant paths and quickly switches to a backup path when a primary path fails. Specifically, the test will focus on the rapid failover of redundant ports when a link connecting to 2 switches is disconnected. As we all know, Spanning Tree Protocol or STP is a network protocol that prevents loops in layer 2 Ethernet networks. These loops, created by redundant paths between switches, can cause broadcast storms, significantly impacting network performance and stability. So the only commands that we will gonna use in this activity is only the switch port mode trunk, and then we're gonna access the interfaces of the ports that are connected to those specific switches, and then we will gonna configure it. And within this case we have the range F02 to 3, and then we're gonna switch port mode trunk and then allow the VLAN 7, 17 and 77 to pass through the switches. And as we can see, we're gonna do it on the 2 switches that we added earlier. We will just gonna do the same configuration or the same command, the switch port mode trunk. After successfully configuring all the ports connected to each switches through the command switch port mode trunk, we're gonna verify it by pinging the pieces with different VLANs and with the same VLANs. Let's try pinging the VLAN 77 to VLAN 17, and then we can see that it is successful. And since this is STP, we can try to delete one connection, and then as we can see through simulation that it will still be successful even though we deleted one connection.